how to customize footer in Shopify Dawn Theme. To do this, we have to go to our online store, and that's located here on the left hand side. It says online store. You click on that one, and under themes here you can see we have the default Dawn theme. So to edit this, we just click on customize here, and that will take us to this window. Now here you can see the header, the main part, which is this template here, and also the footer. When you hover over these, you can see that's the header. It's obviously gonna be the main part here, the background with the latest products. This also the product page, and down here we have our footer. So this whole section, as you can see, is our footer. We can add sections between them or just change the size of it. And here on the left, where it says footer, here is where we can edit it. We can add a section, or we can just go into our footer and edit all the parts of it. Like you can change the color scheme from here, your different options. You can enable this email sign up, which is this part here. There's also the message which shows up, subscribe to our emails. We can change this message up here. Also a lot of different things like enable follow on shop. You can show the social media icons and so on, the country region selector. All of these things you can customize. Also the spacings here, the top margin, the section paddings for top and bottom. There's also more settings here for the theme. Lots of options, as you can see. So you just you can edit whatever part of this footer the way you want. So that's how you customize the footer in the Shopify Dawn theme. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.